How to remove or turn off my AI on Snapchat. So if you want to remove or turn off your AI on your Snapchat account, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And let's get into the video. So right now I'm in the chat section of Snapchat, from where you will be able to send snaps and chat with your friends over here. At the top there is a My AI option you can see. So if you want to remove this, then you just can press and hold over My AI, and here is a Manage Friendship option. You just can tap over there. But right now here is no any option for removing or deleting My AI. So the main thing is you cannot remove My AI from your normal Snapchat. You need to subscribe to Snapchat Plus if you want to remove this My AI. Till now, Snapchat haven't brought any updates or any feature for normal Snapchat to remove this AI. So you can either subscribe to Snapchat Plus, or otherwise you just can ignore this My AI and you just can stop talking to it, and that's how you can do. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.